In this video, I will explain how you can fix this cannot read properties of undefined reading length, this kind of errors in Google Sheets. So this kind of error occurs when you try to access this length property on an object which is not an array. So for this function, we are passing this input, and on this input object, if it is an array, we can access the length property. But if it is not an array, we can't access length property on input. So to fix that, you have to first check that if it is an array or not using this function array.isArray. If it is array, then you can print the length. Otherwise, you don't have to print the length like that. And now if you run this, you can see that the error is not coming because we have checked that it is an array. If it is array, then only we are accessing the length property. And this kind of errors occur generally when you are passing the input from your Google Sheet. For example, over here I am passing this B70 cell. So when you are passing a single cell, what happens is that it is not an array. Okay, so you can't access this dot length. But if you pass the range over here, for example, B70 to B71, this time around what will happen is that array will be sent as an input parameter to that function. So this time around you can access the length property. So that's how it works. So what you have to do is basically check that the input is an array or not using this particular syntax. If it is array, then you can do all the array operations on that particular object. That's it. Thanks for watching.